Cats night and day. When the night puts out its stars. It is nice to curl up and close your eyes. Then sleep comes on. And you dream little cat dreams of handy milk fountains, and barbecued rats, but the night does not last. The sun comes up and warms your nose. And the crazy birds squeak in your ears. And do not let you sleep. But sleep stays in your bones, in the nape of your neck, in the small of your back, till you stretch and shake it out, even your little tail. Once this is done, it is fun. The bright world comes flying to your eyes, with birds and butterflies to chase. And yellow leaves to tease. It is nice to be awake on a bright, warm day.